a battle, round 3. Never know what I get to see in 2016. Won the first one, lost the second draw. Now I'm on my J.O. because I won't let anything hold me way low. First, it was students that were so disrespectful. Education system got me salty, resentful. Then when I turned up to age 26, spent a few months slurring words, talking with a list. After that, I was at my checkup with 5 different doctors. Don't forget the blood work. Multiple sclerosis was a diagnosis. No cure, life shortened out. I was hopeless, but trust me, I didn't stay down. Had some pastors pray for me that moved out from Georgetown. Heart turned for one to watch that one that will worship. Got a desire to prevail in my purpose. But hold up, here come that writer block. Distractions got my wordplay up in the headlock. Couldn't get my thoughts to come in the form of talk. Thoughts coming out that I retire like a gamecock. But really though, I was on the mind games out here, pleasing people, trying to gain all that fame and trying to be accepted, make a name for my claim. That Von K production make a change to the game. But the game been changed and never be the same. The journey for acceptance will always end in vain. So long as I please you, that will be my aim. Never meant to be the picture, meant to be the frame.